Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, cool. So, copy. Right. Right, let's get it. Let's get it. We live. See what today is saying. All right, cool. So, right. Cool. All right, cool. US 30 sells. Let's see how this goes. I'm in a bit of profit. Mm. Alright, so let's see if we can get some sells. The structure hasn't broken down though, but I'm gonna wait for the New York session to begin, the stock open, see what's happening. Oil's doing good. Oil's doing good. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see. Alright, it's looking alright, man. It's looking alright. Let's see what oil does. I'm up 2k on oil. That's not bad. It's not a bad Friday. We just gotta kind of wait for this to continue. Alright, 2 bands. I'll take that. I think we're gonna target the high. And then we'll see what happens after it targets the high. That's the plan. US 30. I want to see if we can sell down, which would be great. See what's popping. No re-entry. Alright, so it's looking like oil's the play. Let's stick to oil. I feel like oil could go higher. So that's the play. I want to see us get above this high. Then we can start to take some profit. That's the plan. Alright. Oil, oil, oil. Boom. Back here, boom. Alright, cool. 2K on oil right now. I'm expecting it to go higher. Let me know if you guys want me to look at any other pairs, but I'm focused on oil at the moment. That's it really. See out the Friday. Let's see if we can see out the Friday. For those that don't know about trading, if you got any questions, you can also ask them as well. I'll be sure to answer your question. So I know there's potential beginners here. Oh, I feel tired today, man. Ugh. I feel tired. Cool. No entry yet. Right, we gotta see what's happening, man. We got an hour to the stock open. No, it's not XRP. XRP is doing well though. If you hold XRP, then great. I hold some as well. I don't day trade XRP, but XRP is made a new all-time high. Let's go. I would be careful about buying it. I wouldn't buy it right now, so don't think about adding more. If you didn't add none, you're gonna have to wait for it to come down again. It will come down again. It might do something like this. We gotta wait for the weekend. I reckon something happens and then we go up like that. That's what I'm kind of considering. So for those that have been holding XRP, great. I do think there will be another time it comes down again. You just gotta kind of wait now. But I don't day trade it. I only invest in it. Stellar's doing well as well. For those that own XLM, I also own XLM. I bought this at around, I think it was like 13 cents or something like that when it was doing nothing. So I bought it around, it was like 2023. I've been holding Stellar for a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think it was, when was it? I have to double check. I know it was like 13 cents, but basically when it was going sideways, it's when I actually bought Stellar. So I'm up on that as well. But again, if you're gonna add some more, I would wait for it to just pull down again. That's what I think. Because when you see big candles like this, that's not the time to buy it. That's not the time to buy it. You should have already bought it when it was dropping. Okay, so we just gotta kind of wait now and see what happens. But yeah, I'm very bullish on crypto. We've got to wait for these legislation and these bills to be passed. There's another one called XDC for those that do follow crypto. Price is very, very low right now. Definitely buy some of this. If you like XRP and you like Stellar, you'll like XDC too. This is very, very undervalued at the moment, in my opinion. So, 8 cents. I see this going very, very high. So we just got to kind of wait and see regarding crypto, what happens with all the legislations and stuff that they're talking about with Congress and all of this stuff. So still time to buy some of the altcoins, but I wouldn't buy XRP right now. I wouldn't buy Bitcoin right now. It's just there's no point buying it right now. You gotta wait. Ethereum I wouldn't buy right now. I think Ethereum can come back down to like $3,000. Somewhere like here is where I would look to buy if it came down again. And then go out. If it goes up without it coming down, you just gotta wait for the next leg. What you gotta understand about structure is it doesn't just shoot like this. Yeah, it's never gonna do that. So wait for it to do its thing. If it goes up here, comes down, start buying it as it's coming down, and then it will go up eventually again. So you just gotta kind of have your areas that you want to actually buy from. If you're an investor anyway. If you day trade, then it's different. You could buy or sell, but I don't buy and sell cryptocurrency. It's not my thing. I just invest in it. So there's so many you can pick from as well. It really does depend. But I do think the alt season is coming soon. So yeah, man, buy what you need to buy. Alright, what's happening? Okay, still pulling back. Alright. Got kind of wait on this right now, to be honest. But yeah, make sure you guys are following me on YouTube. There's a lot of content on there. YouTube. For those that are beginners, you'll definitely learn something by going on there, for sure. I spelled that. I've done a madness spelling that. Chew. Yeah, follow me on YouTube. Trust me, I've got some stuff on there for you for free. Just like and subscribe though. That's all I ask. Alright, so yeah, man, we're just kind of waiting. I do think we're gonna go for this high, and then I'm gonna take some profit on oil. See out the week, man. Fresh back off holiday, so I'm still a little bit tired. So I need to fix my my sleep this weekend. So let's see this week out. Hopefully we close out a few racks, and then come back next week and continue again. So I'm just looking at US 30 today and oil today. I don't trade gold. It's not my thing. Too volatile for me. But yeah, we just gotta kind of wait and see what's going on. $18 Cabela. Alright, the Dow's just chilling. Yeah, it's chilling, guys. Just gotta see what pairs is doing what. Any questions? Let me know. I'll answer them. What's the dollar saying? Hopefully the dollar can pull back. This is an interesting chart. For sure, it's an interesting chart. Alright, cool. Getting pulled back on oil, which is fine. Let's see what the US 30 is doing. Alright, cool. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, structure still going, still in our favor. Alright.
Factory diamond watches unboxing coming your way. Let's go. As you can see here, this is a Richard Mille. We got here for Richard Mille RM35-0. This new Rolex Day Date. This one is probably close to 90K. Anybody who interested, feel like got it in hand. Next, another
Excuse me. Alright, oil's still on the cards. We're just getting a pullback from this area. Basically, to swap my bias, I need this to break structure. But if it doesn't break structure, it's still going to push up. So, let's see. We got to see. Oh.